Who is still hungry? Let's learn how to say some grapes in Chinese, focusing on some. 一些 Please repeat after me. 一些一些一些 Now a little bit faster. 一些一些一些 Let's review. Practice makes perfect. Apple or apples. 苹果苹果 Banana or bananas. 香蕉香蕉 Grape or grapes. 葡萄葡萄 Orange or oranges. 橙子橙子 Strawberry or strawberries. 草莓草莓 Peach or peaches. 桃子桃子 Watermelon. 西瓜西瓜 Some grapes. 一些葡萄一些葡萄 I want to eat an apple. 我想吃一个苹果我想吃一个苹果 I want to eat a banana. 我想吃一条香蕉我想吃一条香蕉 I want to eat some grapes. 我想吃一些葡萄我想吃一些葡萄 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.